everyone, welcome again. Today I am teaching you forest Pixie nail art design step by step guide. A fairy tale nail design perfect for anyone who wants to add a little adventure on her wardrobe. Step number 1, start by painting your nails with a medium green nail polish. Step number 2, using a small piece of cosmetic sponge and some tweezers, apply a dark green nail polish to your nails. Leave the top third of your nails mostly medium green. Step number 3, dab on a black nail polish using the same method, but this time focus on the tips of your nails. Step number 4, using a q-tip and acetone, remove any nail polish that landed on your skin fingers. Step number 5, apply a gold glitter polish over the tips of your nails. Step number 6, using a dotting tool and a white nail polish, make small dots in various. Step number 7, apply a top coat on your nails as per your sizes to look like sparkles. Step number 8, before the top coat dries, carefully place a yellow rhinestone decal on each of your tips with a pair of tweezers or dotting tool. Step number 9, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. That's all. If you like my video, please share, comment and subscribe my channel. If you want any specific design for me, please comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for visiting and watching my video. Bye.